Hello my friends, today I'm going to show you how to draw anyone into cartoon style like a pro. So I have created a Fiverr gig to draw anyone into cartoon style. This customer sent me her photo and want me to draw her and her boyfriend. So this is the brief: boyfriend, girlfriend, and she likes unicorn with princess theme. Let's start. First, I need to sketch. To do this, I will need a pencil, eraser, and ugly sketchbook. Now I'm going to sketch the idea first. And it's coffee time. By the way, with this cup of coffee, my energy is back. Okay, let's do the ugly sketch. When I do the ugly sketch, I just draw what is on my mind without too much details. Now I'm happy with my sketch. I'm going to draw on my lead sketchbook. Remember to always start with basic sketch. Only add the details after you are happy with the sketch. Alright, now it's the sexy inking time.
Throw the chips on the table, pour that soup.
To do this, I'm going to use the Fineliners.
So fatal.
Inking comes in two steps. First, just draw over the sketch.
Baby, yes the baby, yes the baby, yes the baby. Throw the chips on the table, pour that soup with the ladle, spin that motherfucking dreidel. This so fatal, cuz this Fiesta baby, yes the baby, yes the baby, yes the baby.
Second, let's draw sexy lines. Sexy line basically is just add some thickness to some area to make it sexy. Okay, finish inking. Now it's time to color. I'm going to use the Staedtler Lunar color pencils because the color is sexy and I need my headphone because you need sexy music to make sexy color.
Got no advice. Think about it once, I'ma never say twice. If you want to touch, then you better know the price. Push it like a clutch, make a left and hit it right. Say it on the mic, I ain't got no advice. Think about it once, I'ma never say twice. If you want to touch, then you better know the price. Push it like a clutch, make a left and hit it right. Say it on the mic.
Alright, it's done. Enjoy the review.
Duh.